At the end of the business day today, the contract between ABQ Health Partners and Loveless Health Plan will end. The dispute between the companies left more than 100,000 patients in limbo, forced to find new doctors or new insurance providers, wondering who will cover their doctor visits and who will pay for them. News 13's Dave Romero is live at the ABQ Health Partners facility in Southeast Albuquerque to explain. David.
Well, Deanna, both sides tell us that despite the break between the companies, patients should not see an immediate break in coverage. Now, it breaks down like this. Existing ABQ Health patients covered by Loveless Insurance will be able to stay with an ABQ Health doctor, which they, the company, in turn, will bill Loveless for. Patients will not be negatively impacted. This will continue through the end of the year or until patients find a new insurance provider. Loveless, they say, is offering, or the company Loveless says they are offering to help their ABQ Health patients find new doctors. Word of the 5-year contract ending between the two companies sent tens of thousands into a panic over having to find a new doctor or no new insurance carrier. Many have already taken steps to fix that prior to today's split.
Was a unforeseen thing, yeah, and it's caused some inconvenience, but I'm sure it's going to work out okay in our case.
My husband said, I think we better stay with the ones we have. So we got doctors yesterday, and today we're staying with the doctors we have.
Now, UNM workers who use ABQ Health Partners have already worked out a deal where they can continue to see doctors there. Deanna, back to you.
All right, David. For patients, this can be a very confusing time. For ways to get in touch with ABQ Health Partners or Loveless, we have phone numbers and links available on our website, krqe.com, and then click on News Links.